Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a do-it-yourself squirrel feeder. What I'm going to make today can have multiple uses. You can use it as a squirrel feeder, bird feeder, or even a bird bath. What I'm going to make is going to have flower planters on it also, so you can have cute flowers to have a cute decorative piece in your yard. What I'm using is a 4-foot rebar. I've already pre-done everything, but I've got my painted flower pots here already filled with soil and ready to go. I have a saucer bowl. It's about I'd say about 15, maybe 16 inches. I have 4 of these 6-inch planters. A small 4-inch planter that is going to hold the bowl on it, and I have a 8-inch planter that will be used as the base of the feeder. Alright, you'll start with your 8-inch base down here on the bottom. This is what's kind of going to hold it all together. And then you'll start stacking your 6 inches, kind of tilt them so it'll have a cute effect, and you can plant flowers, vegetables, whatever you want to plant in them. As you get your last one on, you'll take your 4-inch and stick it up here on top. Try to pat your soil down to where you kind of have a stable base for your saucer plate or your saucer bowl. And then you'll just want to stick that down in there. Now what I went ahead and did was I sealed this hole. You can, if you see that your rebar is sticking out of the top, you can just kind of push it down a little more and kind of play with it. Or you could keep it there and use it as like a little perching for the birds if you turn it into a bird bath. Or you could get an extra 4-inch pot and one of the smaller saucers and stick it right down in the middle, and you could have a bird bath and a bird feeder at the same time.